Eid Mubarak, guys, and welcome to another vlog. It's Eid day here, like the rest of the world, and I just woke up. As you can tell from my very fluffy shirt, it is cold and rainy, but it's okay. It's Eid. I'm still excited. हम लोगों ने around 5 p.m. जाना है किसी friends की तरफ for like Eid dinner, early dinner kind of situation. Till then, I'm just going to hang. I will get dressed in a while and I will show you guys when I get dressed. But right now, I'm just chilling, watching lots of TV. ईद या कोई भी इस तरह का event, कोई शादी, even an engagement away from home when you're not with everyone is such a bittersweet experience. I mean, of course, I'm really excited about Eid, but I also miss my family every time someone sends a picture on WhatsApp. I'm like, hey. इवन दो मैंने वहाँ पे इतनी ईदें गुजारी और मुझे पता है हर ईद पे सेम चीज़ें होती हैं, बट समहाउ व्हेन यू आर फार अवे इट जस्ट like you do miss it. Of course, that's very normal. I remember 5 साल पहले की बात है, like right after I moved to London, सुमैया की मुझे एक दिन वीडियो कॉल आई एंड शी सेड देखो हम क्या कर रहे हैं. एंड सो वो बैठी हुई थी विद ऑल माई कजन्स और वो मेरी नानी के घर में एक पुलाव की देग आई थी, तो वो देग से निकाल के पुलाव खा रहे थे. नाउ दिस इज़ समथिंग सो मंडेन, इट्स समथिंग जो मैंने इतनी दफ़ा ज़िंदगी में की है. एंड आई जस्ट लुक्ड एट देम एंड आई स्टार्टेड क्राइंग एंड आई वाज लाइक आई वांटेड टू बी देयर. इवन दो इट्स नॉट लाइक मैंने ज़िंदगी में पुलाव नहीं खाया या देग नहीं देखी. आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट दैट फीलिंग ऑफ like not being together, like around people when they're all together, that kind of doesn't go away. But at the same time, it's still Eid. I'm still excited to get dressed and to go to our friend's house. They make amazing food, so I'm actually pretty excited for Eid. Welcome to Friday. I didn't film much after the clips you saw from yesterday because obviously Eid thi and I was busy. And today I've just been studying all morning. Then I had a late lunch. I had halloumi wraps, which were so good. And now we are headed out to get some donuts and go for a walk. Also, finally, these pictures after like 1.5 साल के बाद ये लग गई हैं. But the funny thing is the picture in the middle is actually a picture of the Eiffel Tower. और वो लगाने के बाद हमने realize किया कि वो इस तरह लगनी चाहिए थी, like landscape type में, not like this. हमने उल्टी लगा दी है. But I mean, it's kind of abstract, so you can't really tell. Anyway, yeah, so I'm headed for a walk and I'm gonna take you guys with me. बैक फ्रॉम द वॉक. इतनी ठंड की मुझे बिल्कुल भी एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं थी, बट काफ़ी कुल्फ़ी जमी. बट स्टिल फन, इट्स नाइस एंड रिफ्रेशिंग. एंड अब ऐसा ही मौसम है तो फिर ऐसा ही सही. नाउ आई एम जस्ट हैविंग माई डोनट. दिस इज़ सो गुड, इट स्मेल्स अमेजिंग. दिस इज़ लाइक अ टिरामिसू डोनट. एनीवे, सो आई एम सुपर PMSE इस वक्त और मैं बस अपने मुंह में ये डोनट ठूसना चाहती हूँ. देन आई एम गोना वॉच अ मूवी, मे बी. I haven't decided what I'm going to watch. Like, it's probably going to be a movie and then I'm going to sleep. I don't know if this is just me या सबके साथ ही होता है. I get so hungry on my period. So far today I had a big breakfast, lunch. Usually मैं lunch करती भी नहीं हूँ, and I had lunch. I've had 2 donuts and I'm still hungry and it's not even time for dinner yet. And I am so hungry I could cry. I don't know what's going on. I mean, I know it's like not me and it's the hormones, but I don't eat so much. I never have lunch and I had lunch and I've had 2 big donuts. और अभी भी मेरा पेट खाली है बिल्कुल. Now I'm thinking, oh yeah, I have actually. It's really sweet, but whenever we're leaving Anam's house, my friend who made most of the food for Eid, वो हमेशा खाना साथ भी दे के भेजती है because उसको पता है इन नालायकों को तो कुछ भी नहीं आना ना. So actually वो खाना बना के भी देती है. So she actually packed some food for us. So dinner is sorted. But like I'm embarrassed at how much I'm eating actually. Welcome to Saturday. I'm getting dressed to go out to lunch और उसके बाद हम जा रहे हैं एक exhibition पे. Ow. Yeah, it's an exhibition for South Asian art. I believe it's mostly just Pakistani artists, so I'm very excited. But before those things, we need a COVID test apparently, which I'm not very excited about. So yeah. So I am just getting dressed and then I will take you guys along with me. I feel very Moira Rosie in my clothes today. Look. Anyway, we're just getting coffee, then we will go get tested. दोस्तों बहुत ही कुछ फ़नी मोमेंट्स हुए हैं. बेसिकली वाइल वी वर एट लंच ईमेल आई कि एग्जीबिशन कैंसिल हो गई है. नाउ द थिंग इज़ वी नीडेड अ कोविड टेस्ट टू गो टू द एग्जीबिशन, बट यू ऑल्सो नीड अ कोविड टेस्ट टू गो शॉपिंग हियर. एंड हफ्ते में आप सिर्फ एक कोविड टेस्ट फ्री करा सकते हैं. सो नाउ आई हैव माई कोविड टेस्ट एंड आई थॉट इट फील्स लाइक अ वेस्ट to be going home and not using that COVID test, and the next one I can get only done next week. So what should I do? So now I am heading to my favorite place in the whole world, and it's been such a long time since I actually went anywhere कि मुझे रास्ता भूल गया है. I mean, I know I'm supposed to take the bus from somewhere, but I cannot remember where. So I'm just looking for the bus like a lost deer, and hopefully I can find it soon. सांस चढ़ गई है. यहाँ लोग इतना तेज चलते हैं, and then if you're walking slow, it's kind of embarrassing. So I walk really fast and then I have to stop because सांस चढ़ जाती है. Now I'm getting on the bus though. That was a complete and utter fail. Basically, I was planning to go to TK Maxx and Primark, my favorite places in the world. But not just कि आपको negative test चाहिए, पर आपको एक appointment भी चाहिए. So they just told me like तुम Monday की appointment ले लो because आज तुम नहीं आ सकती क्योंकि क्यों बहुत लंबी है. And anyway, it's okay. I will just now listen to some music and just walk home, I guess. यही है ज़िंदगी. कोविड टाइम्स में दुकान पे भी नहीं जा सकते. यू कैन ओनली सिट एट होम, सो आई गेस इट्स फाइन. This behind me is the Berlin Cathedral, and we're standing on something called Museum Island. So basically there's quite a few museums on that side of the island. This I believe, wait, this behind me I think is a university for music, and this one here is some kind of a palace. It's been under construction. That's the TV tower and that's where I came from. और अब ये पानी को क्रॉस करके मैं म्यूज़ियम की तरफ जा रही हूँ. I think yeah, okay, on the left the first building we see is the it's like the university for music. The next one is actually the business school that my husband went to, and then on the right here is the Schloss, I believe. I could be wrong about that. And then towards that side, that's where a lot of the museums are. I will take you guys one day जब मैं कभी गई. walk home almost 30 minutes लगे, कुछ भी नहीं लिया because हर जगह appointment चाहिए थी other than like pharmacies, so I bought pads. Now I'm just gonna take my makeup off, change my clothes, chill, and probably cook dinner and have dinner in a while. So I will see you guys in the next vlog. Thank you for watching and bye.